Janet Yellen warns on Bitcoin, and down it comes. 48,000 bucks per coin as we speak. Jeff Sica's with us. He has been bullish on Bitcoin right from the start. But look, Jeff, the first hint we get from people like Janet Yellen that they don't like Bitcoin, there's something wrong with it, they might do something about it, and down it comes, big time. Have you changed your mind about Bitcoin?
Not at all, Stuart. And here's what I really think Janet Yellen has a case of Bitcoin derangement syndrome, because this is actually the second time. The first time she said that people are using Bitcoin strictly for insidious reasons. And then that same day, BlackRock was buying Bitcoin for some of its funds. So what I see is that even though Janet Yellen is scared to death of Bitcoin, it's one of the biggest threats to the Fed. And it seems like every time she talks about it, or any Fed official talks about it, any central banker, it falls, and then people come back in and buy it back up, as we're seeing this morning. This is a buying signal, and we will see momentum from here.
You run a large investment company. You've got hotels, you've got apartments, you've got retail operations. Do you put any part of your cash reserves into Bitcoin? And if not, why not?
We like Bitcoin. I use it as an investment. Because of the lack of liquidity, I would say that we haven't gotten to the point where we've used it for what we would need to keep liquid. But I would say that going forward, one of my initiatives and a lot of my investors' initiatives is to take some money out of dollars and put it in Bitcoin. We've been buying gold for a very long time, and Bitcoin, although way more risky than gold, I would say fits the bill as that currency alternative, because I believe money is freedom, but purchasing power is freedom. And what the Fed is doing is they're taking our purchasing power by annihilating the dollar, and we want to keep purchasing power. So I absolutely think I'll be doing that in the future.
Any other, just real fast, 20 seconds, any other crypto other than Bitcoin?
Well, I like Ethereum. I think people have to be very, very careful with a lot of the other cryptos, because a lot of people are just playing momentum. I've put most of my focus on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the real deal. I had said years ago that when the financial institutions embrace it, the floodgates would be opened. Now you have financial institutions from Bank of New York all over the world that are embracing it. So if I were going into crypto, maybe I'd play with a little of the Ethereum, but I would put my focus on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the real deal.
All right, Jeff Sica, time's up. Thanks for joining us. We'll follow Bitcoin like you do.